Is an app on your Fire TV showing up as disabled or unresponsive? This is a common issue, but there are official ways to fix it. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this happens. Low internal storage is the most common reason. Fire TV disables apps to save system resources. Corrupted data or a failed update can trigger a disabled status. Finally, profile restrictions or parental controls might be blocking your access. The first fix is to manually re-enable the app in your settings. Start by pressing the home button on your Fire TV remote. Navigate to the top menu and select the gear icon to open settings. Scroll over and select Applications. Then click on Manage Installed Applications. Find the disabled app in your list and select it to see its details. If you see an Enable button, select it. If not, don't worry, we'll move to Fix 2. Next, we'll clear the app's cache and data to resolve corruption issues. On the same app screen, select Clear Cache and confirm. Now select Clear Data. Remember, this resets the app, so you may need to sign in again. Go back to your home screen and try launching the app. It should be working now. If the issue persists, you likely need to free up some storage space. Go back to Settings, Applications, and Manage Installed Applications. Look for apps consuming the most space. These are the ones Fire TV disables first. Select an app you don't use and choose Uninstall to free up room. With more space available, your app should now launch successfully. If it's still disabled, check your parental controls and profile restrictions. Go to Settings, then Preferences, and select Parental Controls. Check if the app is restricted. You can toggle these settings off to restore access. If you've forgotten your PIN, you can reset it at Amazon.com My Account. Finally, try a full system restart and check for any pending updates. Navigate to My Fire TV and select Restart. Confirm and wait for the reboot. Once the home screen reappears, give the system a moment to load all services. Go back to About and check for updates to ensure your system is current. Try these fixes in order. Most issues are resolved by simply clearing the cache or freeing up space. For more help, visit the official Amazon Fire TV support page. Which fix worked for you? Drop a comment below. It helps the community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fire TV tips. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.